In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flash sale banner in Shopify. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Claspo website. Once you click to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to click on Start for Free, which will then take you to the sign up screen for the Claspo platform. You can choose from a bunch of different options here. The one that I would recommend you is to sign up with Shopify one, because it will make the whole integration between Claspo and your Shopify store very easy. So click on sign up with Shopify, and then you'll be taken to the Shopify login screen. Simply log in into your Shopify account, and once you've done that, you'll automatically be redirected to the page, which is where we can install the Claspo application. Go ahead and click on install right here. Give it a couple of seconds, and then you automatically be taken to the back end of the Claspo platform. Now, before I show you how to create the exact type of flash sale banner that you want, if you take a look at the left hand side of the screen right here, you will see that by default you'll be assigned to the free plan. If you just click on this right here, you can see that you can have as many widgets as you want at any one time, and you can also take advantage of all the features and functionalities that the Claspo platform has to offer. The only real limitations that you will have with the free plan are the number of page views that you can get on your widgets per month and the Powered by Claspo badge. So if you want your flash sale banner to be 100% ad free, or if you want to increase the number of page views you can get per month, go ahead and click on upgrade plan right here, which will take you to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and here are all the available plans that you can choose from depending on the number of monthly page views that you want. So as you can see, just slide it across like this, and then you can access all the different plans that the Claspo platform has to offer. If you plan to go for any of the premium plans, I definitely recommend you to subscribe on an annual basis, because you get to save 25% of the total cost. And if you want to save an additional 20%, don't forget to use my code at checkout, which you can find in the description of this video. That's pretty much it when it comes to the plans. Now let me show you how to create the exact type of flash sale banner that you want for your Shopify store. So from this page right here, click on new widget right on the top of the page, and then you'll see this pop-up right here. We can take two different routes when it comes to creating a flash sale banner. We can either start completely from scratch, or we can browse through the template library and choose a template. In my particular case, I'm going to go for the templated option because it makes the entire process much easier, and all the templates are fully customizable anyway. Once you've clicked on the template library option, you'll then be taken to the Claspo template library. As you can see here, all the different templates that the platform has to offer. In that particular case, we are interested in a flash sale banner. So what we need to do here is narrow down the options so we only see flash sale banners. Now to do that, what you want to do is go to the left hand side of the screen right here, and where it says use cases, go ahead and click on increase sales, and then I want you to go down to layout and then click on floating bar. And as you can see on this screen, we have narrowed that option significantly. So go ahead and browse through the different banners right here and choose the one that best suits your needs. In my particular case, I'm going to go for this flash sale banner right here, and then you'll be taken to this page, which is where you can see the unedited version of this particular template right here. Now the only thing that we can change here is the actual color scheme. So as you can see in my particular case, this banner is following a purplish color scheme, so I want to change that to orange. What I need to do is click on this color box right here and then find the orange color that I want to go with. In my particular case, I think I'm going to go for this one. Looks pretty nice and clean, and then I'm going to tab out of it, and then from here what I want to do is click on use this template in the top right corner of the screen, which will then take us to the actual page, which is where we can make all the different changes to our flash sale banner. Now when it comes to customizing a template in Claspo, it's all very straightforward. All you have to do is simply click on the element that you want to change. So for example, this text right here, and then once you've done that, you can double click on the text and change it to whatever you want. In the meantime, on the right hand side of the screen, you can see all the customization settings for that particular element. So in this case, I want to make this text a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and increase the font size right here. So you can see if I just click on the plus icon, the text gets progressively bigger. You can also change the text style here, the font family, the font weight, font size, text color, and a bunch of other settings as well. Another thing I want to change in my banner is this image right here. I don't really like the look of it, and I want to replace it with something else. So I'm going to click to highlight it, and then on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the customization panel for that particular element. So from here, click on change, and you can either add your own image, access the image library, or provide an external link. In my case, I'm going to choose an image from the image library right here, and I think I'm going to go maybe for this one right here because it looks pretty nice. As you can see, that's what it looks like. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like that. Now when it comes to deleting certain elements, for example, let's just suppose that we no longer want this image, simply click on the element they want to delete and press the backspace button on the keyboard, and then the element will automatically be deleted. Make sure to also delete the container because we no longer need that, and that will basically readjust everything within the flash sale banner. Now if you want to add an additional element to the flash sale banner, on the left hand side of the screen here, you can see a bunch of different elements that you can add. In my particular particular case, I want to add some text on the left hand side of the countdown timer right here. So what I'm going to do is drag this text and just place it to the left right here, and as you can see, it was added as easily as that. And in my case, I'm not going to change this to anything, I'll just leave it as it is. If you take a look on the right hand side of the screen right here, you can also choose the positioning of the banner. In my case, by default, it goes on the top of the website. However, you can also have it on the bottom, just like this. In my case though, I'm going to keep it on the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here in the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. Here is the final version of my flash sale banner. As you saw, creating the exact type of banner that you want is very easy and super straightforward with Classpo. Now from here, what I want to do is decide where I want to position my banner. By default, mine is on the top of the website. However, you can also have it along the bottom if that's what you prefer. In my case though, I'm going to keep it to the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, you'll then be taken to this page, which is where we need to decide how and when the banner is going to get triggered on our Shopify website. So from here, click on edit, and here you will find the settings for display frequency, when to display the banner, and a bunch of other customizations that you can make. In my particular case, I want the banner to be displayed once per session, and then I want it to be displayed immediately as soon as somebody lands on my Shopify website. Now in your particular case, if you want there to be some delay, go ahead and select on this option here that says when all conditions are met, and enable the spent on page option, and then choose the delay that you want. From here, click on next in the top right corner of the screen, and then in my case, I don't want to export my data to Google Analytics. Now the last thing that we need to do here is publish the banner. So what we need to do here is go ahead and change the status from unpublished to published, and then click on save in the top right corner of the screen. From here, click on how to enable in the top right corner of the screen, then click on open Shopify, and that will automatically take us to our Shopify store. Once this loads up, you should be able to see the banner along the top of our website. As you can see, here it is. It looks super nice and clean, and it's also fully interactive. And that's about it. That's how to add a flash sale banner on Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.